RUD Australia is an Australian company. We import high quality components from Germany, manufactured there. And what we do here in Australia is we then use our engineering team. We work closely with our clients, designing solutions around lifting, rotating, transporting, materials handling products. So whether that be tie down, lifting, overhead cranes, we do conveying systems. We were originally involved with the mining sector, and we've in the last 5 to 10 years really focused on the defence industry, initially with the land-based, and now we're getting involved with offshore, the naval sector. RUD is here at Indo-Pacific on the Queensland stand. We're testing the waters here to see where we fit in that space, and we've been really excited by the feedback, the contacts we've made, the opportunities in this space. We're really excited about the opportunities with the naval sector. We've made some great contacts with the primes here. We've met some really interesting people on the stand, on the Queensland stand here, and we look forward to being involved for many years to come, and we see some great opportunities for us. So for RUD, the next 12 months, we're really going to be working hard with the ADF, with the primes, demonstrating our sovereign capabilities, being an Australian company, employing Australian people, which is now contributing to over 20% of our turnover, and we see that continuing to grow. In the last 12 months, we've probably employed additional 20 people related to what we're doing in this space. So we're really excited about the growth potential and supporting the defence industry here in Australia. Over the next 12 months, we're excited with the opportunities of following up on the leads that we've got from the exhibition here in Sydney, engaging further with our potential clients, demonstrating to them where we fit with our speed, agility, our competency of high quality solutions. We see that there's exciting times ahead for us to be able to grow our business, and we don't see too many challenges based on what we're seeing and hearing from the investments that is going on in the space. So in my role as Managing Director, I see that we've got an exciting time to have the ability to employ more people, be able to provide that sovereign capability, moving away from the mining sector, moving into the defence sector. It's pretty exciting for our business and the expansion we're planning, the increasing of our own capabilities, increasing our presence in the market. So we're pretty excited about what we can do.